Hi, this is Nuria Boch and I'm gonna show you how I bring to life this beautiful child's climate superhero concept using Adobe Photoshop. To create the outlines, I'm gonna select the hard round brush and set it to 5 pixels. Next, I'm going to select the pen tool and I'm gonna start adding bezier points that will define the path for the stroke. I need to select the brush tool again and under the path panel select the stroke path with brush. This is how I create the outlines of my artwork. I like to implement some casting shadows to give depth and perspective. Let's continue by blocking the shapes of each element. Once I have all the main shapes on different layers, I will start adding details to them using clipping mask layers. Using a yellow color, I would add some strong and softer lights using overlay and soft light blending mode. For shadows, using a green color, I'll set it to multiply and at 48% opacity. I've applied a darker tone to the casting shadows, added different colors to the outlines, and included some lighting effects to make it more interesting. Thank you so much for watching!